Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Elon Musk. The one thing they all have in common is a strong reading habit. Did you know that Bill Gates finishes a book every week and Elon Musk launched a damn rocket into space just by reading a book? He doesn't even have an aerospace engineering degree. He learned it all through books. Readers are leaders. Readers are leaders because all the most successful people in the world are readers. If you can learn faster, you can earn faster. If knowledge is power, then reading is a superpower. We live in this age of information. It is not just your physical strength that matters, your brain strength actually matters more. When you're reading, what you're actually doing is that you're downloading decades into days. What took a person decades of his life to learn, you are sitting down in a few days and learning all of it. Are you overloaded with too much to read and you have too little time? Do you have books on your shelf that you want to read, but instead of becoming self-help, they just became shelf-help? Do you face challenges with reading, like you're reading and you got to the end of a page and you forgot what you just read and you feel embarrassed about it, like how can this happen to me? Do you feel fatigued or tired when you're reading? Do you feel like your focus is not there while you're reading? If any of this is true for you, then let me tell you that you're in the right place and in the right program. Over the course of this program, we will overcome all these challenges. The problem is that there is a huge gap. The difficulty of our reading content has been increasing continuously from primary school to high school to college and then to university. But our reading skill, it hasn't changed at all. We still read the way we used to read in our kindergarten. The difficulty of our reading content is say at level 10, 12 and 15, but our reading skill, it is still just at level 1. This huge gap has created undue stress and undue anxiety. So our goal in this program will be to upgrade your reading skills and make you read faster. I promise you that at the end of this program, most of you will increase your reading speed by 300%. You will be reading 3 times faster. Do you understand what that means? Say you are reading 3 hours a day. Now you can read it in just 1 hour and you will save 2 extra hours. Imagine what you could do with these 2 extra hours. You can use them for your hobbies or you can just hang out with your friends. Besides not being taught the right reading skills, you were actually taught the wrong reading skills. Do you remember in your childhood, in the beginning you were asked to read aloud and later your teacher asked you to read silently in your mind. This thing we do while reading of saying the words in our mind is called sub-vocalization. Sub-vocalization slows down our reading speed. If you have to say all the words to be able to understand them, you will be able to read only as fast as you can speak. Now let me say it again. If you have to say all the words to be able to understand them, you will only be able to read as fast as you can speak. Your reading speed will be limited to your speaking speed and not your thinking speed. Also while reading, we read word by word. We only look at one word at a time. Do you feel how slow that is? You can actually look at more than one word at a time. We have this thing called folio vision, which is a straight line vision. But we also have what is called a peripheral vision. It is a wider vision. Peripheral vision enables us to look at more than one thing at a time. Then while reading, we tend to go back and read the same lines and words we already read. This is called as regression or back skipping. This not only slows down your reading speed, but also it breaks the flow of comprehension. In this program, I'll teach you how to reduce subvocalization, how to activate your peripheral vision, and how to eliminate back skipping or regression. We are not only going to increase our reading speed in this program because we don't want to read fast and just get the gist of what we read or just get the rough understanding of what we read, right? We want to understand it in detail so that we can apply it. So, besides being able to read fast, you will also improve your comprehension, improve your retention. You will also learn how to learn anything faster. You will also learn how to create a habit in this program. Increasing your reading speed is the best thing you can do. To be able to do great things, you have to first put great things into your mind, and reading helps you do just that. This program will be stretched over a period of 26 days. Every day we will have short lessons of 15 to 25 minutes and a 10-minute reading exercise. Put together, it will only take 35 minutes of your day, but in return, it will give you 2 hours each day. Over the course of a week, 12 hours, which is 4 reading days a week, and over the course of a month, 12 extra reading days a month. Can you imagine the advantage you will have over others? I will be teaching live on Teachment, and besides the live class, you will also get the recording of the class so that you can go back and re-watch the things you didn't understand. Here is the most important point. In this program, you will have an exclusive learning community. Now, studies suggest that learning is not an act you do in solidarity. Learning is a social activity. You will get the maximum benefits out of learning when you do it socially. So, in this community, you can interact with the students and discuss what you learned each day. You can also find accountability partners so that you can keep each other motivated throughout the course of the program. You can learn from them, you can also teach them. Now, this program is not an information program, it is a transformation program. I will not just be giving you information, I will stay with you till the end of the program and make sure that you are transformed. I wish for you that your life goes through a beautiful transformation just like mine did. With this program, I actually have a bigger purpose, so even if some of you fall short of the money for the course, you will be considered. Even if some of you don't have any money at all but are in desperate need of the course, I will teach you for free.